Today I'm going to give you a tour of the main house with my main man, Ronald. The main office is open from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. There is a house manager on duty 24/7. There is a volunteer here during office hours. If a family needs to contact someone after hours, they can call the phone number that's located on the front door. These are family mailboxes, and each family has a mailbox according to room number. Managers may leave important messages. This is the informational bulletin board that has important happenings in the house. The elevator is located across from the office and is for limited use only for check-in, check-out reasons, or medical. Are you listening, Ronald? This is important information. This is the living room, and there are no foods or drinks allowed. There is a TV and DVD for families to use. The DVDs are located in the cabinet in front of the red couch. Are you keeping up, Ronald? This is the freezer for families to use to store breast milk. The key is with the manager in the office. This is the sign that is located in the dining room, and it shows important news and events that are going on in the house. This is the dining room, and this is where all eating should take place. The tables need to be wiped clean after every use. The coffee is located on the back counter, and the coffee supplies and creamer and sugars are located on the bottom and the top cupboards. The Coke machine is located in the corner, and there's also a recycling bin specifically for Coke products only. And then there's a cleaning closet back here for chores. This is the kitchen, and it is open till 11 p.m. Families can use it to cook or store food according to room number. Each family gets a shelf or a tub, and they label their food with masking tape and their name. The masking tape and markers are located in the drawer next to the stove. Also located in the kitchen is plastic wrap, paper plates, and carry-out containers. In the upper cupboards there are plates and glasses. Each family should clean up after themselves. There is a sink and a dishwasher, and then all the supplies are located under the sink. Center island contains silverware, cutting boards, and pot and pans. These are the food lockers for families to use. The combination is found on your key wristlet. And these are the family fridge and freezer. Man, Ronald, look at all of these snacks. Anything left on the snack counter is open for families to take. The trash is located in the dumpsters through the garage. And on most evenings, dinner is served at 6 p.m. by volunteers. The playroom is open from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. There is no food or drink allowed, and the children must be supervised at all times. There is a TV, a DVD, and game system located in the playroom. There is also the door that leads outside to the playground that families can use. The toy closet is also located in the playroom. This is the laundry room, and it is free for families to use. It is open 24/7, and it has a washer and dryers. It has detergent and bleach for families to use. The families also need to give you their dirty linen for you to put in a bin during checkout. In this room, there is a pocket door that you may need to point out to families and show them how to use it. This is the linen closet located in the laundry room. It has sheets, towels, pillowcases, and because of limited resources, you do not restock the items daily. This is the storage closet, and it is located on the lower level. It contains cleaning supplies, breast pumps, vacuums, and then across from it, there is a little closet underneath the stairs that has the rollaway beds. This is for families and volunteers to use. This is the lower level storage room, and this is where donations are kept and stored. As a volunteer, you will place the item in the shopping cart, and then a staff member will put it on the shelf. This is a linen closet located on the upper floor. It has towels, sheets, pillowcases, and because of limited resources, we do not have enough to change out every day, but a family may ask. If a family asks for more, this is where you can find them. This is the storage closet located on the upper level next to room 24. It has miscellaneous items like mini fridges, car seats, strollers, and air mattresses. This is a storage closet located on the upper level across from room 15. It has cleaning supplies, toilet paper, and rollaway beds. This is the game room, and it is located on the lower level. It is open from 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. and there is equipment for families to check out in the office. Man, Ronald, that tour was exhausting. Thank you for volunteering at the Ronald McDonald House, Charities of Ann Arbor.